This project in particular, I'm born and raised here in San Angelo. This is my hometown, and this project will greatly impact the community by providing more patient beds, more ICU care, and overall improving the quality of life here in San Angelo. So it means a lot to me to be able to give back to this community that has given me so much. The world's ever changing, and therefore the construction industry is always changing as well. In traditional past, your electrician, your plumber, your mechanical guy all have layout personnel. Using products such as HP SitePrint has really sped up the operations of the physical layout on the ground. Currently, we're using it to lay out all our hanger points and all our sleeve locations. We can provide a better quality of project and a better product at the end for our clients and for the community. It's important for us at HOAR to stay on top of ever-changing technologies.
Using the HP SitePrint robot basically cuts down a lot of the room for error. So if we can be more precise, more accurate, we can be faster and more efficient, then the owner and architect's design intent is going to be a lot closer by the time we are done with the project.
There's tons of challenges that come along with projects like this. Time is always probably your biggest challenge. The owners are always ready to get the return on their investment. And so the time, the scheduling, the scope of work, and the coordination of making sure all trades work together. When you have that, the job goes smoother, the job is more successful and more productive.
The experience with the robot's been great, and just the usability of the software with the controller, able to maneuver it and do what you want it to do, it's been outstanding.
We've noticed that it helps our client understand what's going where as it's just clearer than drawings on a paper. They can physically walk on their job site, see the layout, and get excited about their project.
On some of these decks, we have 3,400 points that are getting laid out. And if you think about it, that's 3,400 times someone would have to sit down and get back up. And they don't have to do that anymore. So being able to take all that work off of our labor force, in addition to the speed and the cost savings, it's a no-brainer.
The great benefit of it is we're gathering time in the schedule. You know, we can have time allotted for layout by doing it by hand, and we can cut that down substantially by using the HP SitePrint robot.
Accuracy has been probably the most impressive aspect of HP SitePrint. Being our first time, we've double checked almost every single point, and we've been within, I believe, a 16th to a 64th of an inch on every single point, well within tolerance. That's been the most comforting aspect of this process so far.
HP SitePrint has been great. It's a good product, and I think it also helps showcase HOAR Construction as a company that is willing to grow and evolve and go forward with the future and not just do things the same old way everybody's always done them.
The future of construction is so unpredictable, but the only thing that is predictable is change. We know it's constantly going to be changing with the time, and I think we're at a very pivotal point, and I think you're going to see that bell curve essentially massively tick up.
There's going to be huge advancements made in robotics and AI. They're all going to come together and make things more efficient, make everything go faster with less rework, less waste.
I truly have enjoyed working with HP SitePrint. So far, I've been very impressed with what we've seen and how it's all laid out.